everyone, welcome back to the Lilac House. I'm Crystal and I finally did it. A couple Dollar Tree hauls ago I talked about a wonderful Mother's Day gift I did, and then I went to the Dollar Tree and I made it happen, Captain. Okay, so I will link the video below where it talks about it. It's a Dollar Tree haul, but I basically was like, oh, this would make a really great Mother's Day gift I did. So I said I better go buy it so I can make it. But you guys, I would love to get this gift. I think you would love to get this gift. I know the ladies I'm going to be giving it to will love it. So just do it is what I say. So let's get into it. I will show you what I bought the mothers in my life. Okay, so they have these hanging planters at the Dollar Tree this year. It comes in green, gray, and this clay color. Ooh, it looks like I bought one for myself. Happy Mother's Day to me. But I'm making two baskets, one for my stepmom and one for my grandma. And these baskets feel like pretty good high quality and they hang. I've never bought one before, but they're so nice, so cute. I'm very excited for mine. And I'm excited to give this gift away. So I bought these to go in each basket. They're just a multicolored flower. And if you look up at the top, it says $2.99. It's $1. I do have one that's leaking everywhere, so I need to fix that first. And then I bought snapdragons to go in each one, along with some morning glory. And I bought them each one of these. This is a cultivator. This is a shovel. I've had a shovel and a cultivator from the Dollar Tree. I use the shovel the most for like the last 4 years, and they are amazing. Still works. Very durable. It has nice grip. I love it. Go buy one. It's only $1 and it's like the best gardening shovel I've ever had. And then the last thing I'm really excited about, and they are these gloves. I wanted to buy some lemony ones like the ones that I bought for myself, but they were all out. And I thought these would just be really cute to go in it. They have the grip. They have other patterns as well. Anyways, let's put this basket together.